Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do a September read for you. Now Pisces, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for all your love, your comments and your likes. You've kept this channel going and I'm very, very grateful to you. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our little Omkara family. And join us to subscribe to the channel. So let's begin here, Pisces. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send us the messages they need to hear the most for the month of September. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin. Let's see what's coming up. Oh my God. Oh, my throat chakra shut the minute I saw this card. Are you going through healing some kind of a heartbreak here, Pisces? Let me put this aside here and see what the rest of our spread is going to say. The first card that slipped out for you was also the Knight of Cups, Pisces, which basically means some kind of rejection in love, and that's why your heart is broken. Let's see how we can navigate this energy, Pisces. This is what you're going through, this is what you've just been through, and this is coming up. What you're holding on to, what you should let go of, your biggest hurdle, how people see you, and Spirit's secret message to you. Healing is coming, don't worry, Pisces. Whatever you're going through, don't worry, healing is coming to your life now in September. Let's take an angel blessing card as well to top your reading before I open your cards. My angels, what do you have for Pisces here? Please give us a beautiful blessing card or an advice card that my Pisces can be blessed with, please. Steady progress. Yes. Whatever you felt was not working in the past, Pisces, things are going to turn around in September, it seems. Slow and steady, you're going to have your total wish fulfillment. So, okay, so if you had any kind of heartbreak in the past or any kind of rejection in the past, it's all going to come to a pass. Spirit says, look deeper. You're only seeing the surface of things, right? Lots of things are going on in the background which are for your benefit, which you're not even aware of. The entire angelic realm is working behind your back to put things back into order for you. So, also I have a small little request, Pisces, before I open these cards. A lot of you are reaching out for personal readings. Whenever you send me an email, the email which is down in the description box below, whenever you send me an email, in the description, in the subject, just write personal reading dash the country you're sending this email from, okay? It just helps me to, allot you the time slot, which is comfortable for both you and I here in India. It'll save us a lot of time, energy, and a lot of back and forth of emails, okay? Thank you. So right now I see you, Pisces, as walking away. Either you're walking away from a situation or somebody else has recently walked away from your life. Let's see what happened in your recent past. You were happy, everything was fine, and in September justice is coming. Like I said, steady progress is going to take you to healing very soon. So who is this who walked away, Spirit, and why is this card here for Pisces in their current position? Six of Wands in reverse. King of Cups. Okay, Pisces, it seems that there is somebody here in your life who, even though they probably have a lot of love for you, this could be you as well, had a little bit of difficulty maybe being very emotional towards you or you towards them. You were keeping your emotions a bit hidden. This could be somebody in your family dynamic, could be a husband, could be a wife, could be like a long-standing relationship. And because of, when they walked away from you, you kind of even stopped fighting for them, okay? And you felt rather not victorious, not happy, not feeling like you were on top of your game here. Even though in the past I see that there was a lot of happiness here. Spirit, what is this Three of Cups here for Pisces? What is this Three of Cups in the recent past for Pisces? Some stability of your life. There was a fight here. Could be because of a third party situation. Now, Pisces, third parties don't always mean like another man or another woman. This third party could mean, somebody's work. It could mean somebody's obsessed with their family, their parents, their ex-family. Could be that, like I said, their job, business. Could be travel. Could be anything which was coming between the two of you. There was some kind of argument regarding that which kind of destabilized your very happy relationship that you had in the past. And yes, this burdened you. This was like a big burden to you, and all you were looking was for a little bit of happiness. But when this distance or stability kind of got shaken up, it kind of really saddened you in the past. But now I see, Pisces, some justice is coming your way. So what is this justice, Spirit, which is coming towards my Pisces? What is this justice coming towards my Pisces now? If something was not moving ahead, Pisces, something was not, there was no passion, maybe something maybe came to a total standstill. There was no clear communication, no feeling that you have any kind of understanding of how this is going to go now and you're feeling a lack of control here, lack of feeling that you had the power to change things. I think all that is coming to a rest. Yeah, this made you feel very, very sad, a little embarrassed, little depressed by whoever walked away from your life, destabilized your emotional self, your physical life, in fact. But now I think you're having some very clear communication in September, and you're making sure that justice comes to this place. There is going to be, yes, you've spent a lot of time alone now. Okay, you've spent a lot of time in isolation. You are now healing. You've healed, and I think in September, you're going to move away from all these troubled times into very, very calm waters. Okay, whatever was wrong, steady progress is now headed your way. You are going to move out of this very rocky. Something happened here which put you into a rocky place. Waters were turbulent. There was upset. But in September, after this little period of isolation that you've had, Pisces, you are coming out and you are coming into a very peaceful place, a good place. So what are you holding on to? Pisces, right now, I think you've become a little demoralized maybe, okay? And you feel that, yes, see, the Justice card is out again. You could be dealing with a Libra with two Justice cards out. Not necessarily, but right now what Spirit is saying, you're still holding on to this fact, that, no growth can happen in my life. Because things maybe didn't work out in the past, you are still kind of fearful, but Spirit is assuring you once again with this Justice card. Okay? Spirit says, don't hold on to this feeling, it was only temporary. Whatever happened was just temporary, it was just a little bit of, turbulence in the middle, but things are now moving to a calmer place. You are now starting to see, you will start to see at least, steady progress. You have done a lot of healing now. Lot of healing, and because of this healing, this place which was your foundation which became rocky is coming back to the upright now in September. Things are going to be put right. If you had money problems, if you had family problems, all that is going to get solved in this month of September, because justice is here to balance the scales once again. So Spirit says, please don't hold on to that feeling that, things are not ever going to be right, because see what's coming. Equal give and take, equal partnership, getting an abundance of money from somewhere. Things are going to be absolutely put right once again. So let's see, what is it that you should let go of, Pisces? Let go of the feeling that you can never be happy. Pisces, I think this little bit of glitch which has come in your life, which made you feel depressed and sad and not victorious. Yeah, you're feeling that nothing can ever move again. Okay, and people have turned their back on you, or you're turning your back on any forward movement. Spirit is saying, "Are you kidding me? This is what we have in store for you." The Ten of Cups upright. We have the Ten of Cups for you, we have the Ten of Pentacles for you, and coming up in September, you have healed now, and you watch how the slow and steady progress is going to come back into your life. So if you've been feeling bad, if you've been feeling life has been unfair to you, Pisces, this is the month where you're going to heal this broken heart of yours. Look deeper, things are not just the way they seem. Things are happening behind your back to put everything right in your life. Let's see what's going to be your biggest blockage this month, Pisces. Your biggest blockage, Pisces, is again Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Thinking, no, I cannot have this stability, it's all over, I can never, I think this is more finance based. Yeah. After whatever little, like a thing happened in your life, this could have felt like a tower moment in your life, right? It felt like a tower moment, and after that you felt totally stuck, that oh my God, things can never change again, and now you are not even trusting your own self to bring back any kind of balance back into your life. So Spirit is saying, don't be in this situation, don't be in this mindset. By keeping yourself stuck, Pisces, this is going to become a blockage in your heart. Blockage in your mind, blockage in your finances, blockage in having, worthy relationships in your life. So Spirit is saying, please don't hold on to this feeling. How do people see you, Pisces? People see you as having some very sweet memories of your past, okay? Or waiting for somebody from your past. This is a good friend that you have, or a lover that you have. They see you as having a lot of nostalgia for somebody from your past, but they also see that things have kind of come to a little bit of a standstill for you. Okay, like I said, there could be distance, there could be something which is keeping you two apart. So people see you as feeling a little stressed out, little worried, and quite a lot of regret here, okay, and not really seeing any forward movement in your life. This is regarding somebody you are very fond of, somebody you've known for a long time. Maybe there is some kind of separation here, and people see you just, thinking back, talking about this person, missing this person, and being a bit stressed out here. Let's see what Spirit's secret message is towards you. 3 of Pentacles. So Spirit is saying that again you are totally focused on what went wrong in your life, right? Spirit is saying, if you're going to keep this mindset that, oh my God, people are always going to be better than me, they are going to be winners, I will always lose. Spirit is saying, how are you going to manifest something brand new in your life? How is this 3 of Pentacles going to turn upright for you if you don't leave this energy and start working towards, something positive in your life? This is Spirit's secret message for you. Spirit is saying, no longer are you supposed to even think negatively of what has not taken place. Spirit says that this chapter of your life is not shut yet. Don't feel that, everything is over. There is still a window open. Things are going to turn around in such a beautiful way for you, Pisces, that you'll probably be, hopefully, sending me see, here's the 3 of Cups again. Okay, this is somebody from your past who you're waiting for. You are thinking about them, thinking of all the investment that has already gone into this relationship. So Spirit is saying, instead of thinking negatively, it's the time to start working positively now. Okay, so everything is going to be fine. I mean, the 10 of Pentacles is going to be upright, 10 of Cups is going to be upright. I think the last video that I made for you also, I think the heading was, it's just a pause. It is just a pause. And I am seeing that in September, things are going to turn around in such a beautiful way for you that I might not find you on my channel anymore. You're going to be so busy in your happy brand new life. Spirit is saying this is Spirit's secret message for you. We want you to be brave right now and keep your strength up. Okay? Do not give up. You have the power to tame a lion. This is just a little bit of a pause. Things are going to get better. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. I hope this helped in some way. And please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next week. Love and light. Your love readings are coming up soon. And I'm sure steady progress is what we'll see in our readings also for you. Okay? Love and light. Take care. Namaste.